news about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 15. Jesus feed 5,000 people. After this, Jesus left go over to the other side of Galilee Sea with him follower them. Them call it Tiberias Sea too. One big crowd of people follow back at him, cause them see the powerful miracle them him did a work and make sick people get better. So Jesus go upon one hillside and sit down up there with him follower them. Now, at the nearly time for the Jew them Passover holiday. When Jesus look round and see the big crowd of people where did a come to him said to Philip, which part we can buy food for give them people here? Jesus didn't know what him did a go do already, but him said that to Philip because him didn't want to find out what him would have say. Philip answer him and say, not even 8 months what appear would have enough to buy food to make none of them people you get even one little toops of food. Then, when them other follower of them, Andrew, Simon Peter brother, said to him, say, see one little boy here with 5 little wheat bread and 2 little fish. But how that I go serve for so much people? Jesus say, make the people them sit down. No, enough grass did about the place. The people them sit down and the number of the man them add up to about 5,000. So Jesus take the food, give God thanks for it, and share give all of the people them. Them get as much as them want. After that, him take the fish them and do the same thing. After everybody belly full up, Jesus said to him follower them, say, take up all our leftover so that nothing no waste. So, them take up the leftover food and full up 12 baskets with what them find. When the people them see the powerful sitting them where Jesus do, then start say to them one another, are the prophet we did for come in at the world this for true? No, true Jesus didn't know, so them did want to force him to turn them king. Him left there so and go back up in at the hill. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.